Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the 5G services at a function at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. 5G technology will provide seamless coverage, high data rate, low latency and highly reliable communication. President Draupadi Murmu will award the cleanest states and cities of Azadi's 75 Swachh Survekshan 2022 in New Delhi today. The day will mark the first anniversary of the launch of the Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban 2.0. More than 218 crore 68 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. A total of 21 crore 33 lakh precaution doses have been administered to the eligible beneficiaries so far. The central government has extended for another 6 months the application of the disturbed area under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA in 12 districts of Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. In the Women's T20 Asia Cup, defending champions Bangladesh today beat Thailand by 9 wickets in the opening game of the tournament at Sylhet in Bangladesh.